In today's video, I'm going to show you a detailed review of the Gig Now app, a platform designed to connect users with flexible job opportunities. Before we begin, please note that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not providing financial advice. So, what exactly is Gig Now? This app focuses on short-term and part-time opportunities, offering things like freelance tasks, e-commerce related gigs, and remote work. One of its main selling points is the promise of quick applications, flexible schedules, and fast payouts, making it attractive for people who want to earn some extra income on the side. Now, let's talk about whether or not the app is legit. Gig Now currently has over 1 million downloads on the Google Play Store and holds a generally positive trust score across various review platforms. That's a good sign that it's not a scam. In fact, many users mention that they've successfully received payments and appreciate the app's simple interface as well as the wide variety of gigs available. However, like with any gig platform, there are also a few drawbacks. Some users have reported delayed payouts, while others mention that the availability of jobs can be limited depending on your region. There are also occasional technical glitches, which might affect your overall experience. It's important to remember that your results with GigNow will vary depending on factors such as location, demand, and how actively you use the app. The bottom line is this: GigNow can be a useful tool if you're looking for flexible or short term income opportunities. Just make sure you approach it with realistic expectations and take the time to research each gig before committing so you know exactly what you're signing up for. Thank you for watching this video.